Tapos may eggs. Tapos may kasama na siyang yes, 4 seasons siya na juice. Pero ako yun pa din yung aking juice. Hindi ko pa nauubos. Ayan. So, it's 1:26 in the afternoon right now. Hindi ko malaman kung saan ako titingin kung dito. Anyway, so 1:26 na, 2:10 pala si Stan ngayon. Every Wednesday, meron siyang meeting para dun sa kanilang upcoming event. And he is part of the core officers dun sa kanilang organization na yon. So, yun, susunduin na natin siya ngayon. Medyo, feeling ko naman sakto lang yung aking alis. So, tara, let's go. Okay, so it's a Wednesday today and wala namang masyadong ganap ngayon. I just have to do content creation and some editing on the side. Ayun, and I'm trying to discover a new parang digital creation that I can sell online. So yun yung aking pinagkakaabalahan ngayon, aside from my usual tasks or responsibilities. We're here na sa school ni Stan and nakapark lang ako ngayon kasi 2:10 pa siya. It's 2:07. So 3 minutes before his dismissal. Dito na si Stan. Nasundo ko na siya. We're on our way home. Ayan na siya. Naka-red sila ngayon kasi parang Santo Niño Mass today. Wednesday. So yan. Kaya naka-red siya ngayon. Anyway, ayun. Let's go home. Okay, so we're parked and yan, nandito na kami sa parking, akit na kami sa house. Thank you so much for being with us today. Ayan, sister, hindi siya nakikita. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Okay, so it is 2:30 in the afternoon and susundo na ako kay Stan. 3:30 yung kanyang out today, so let's go. Hintay lang tayo ng elevator. Nandito na tayo sa car and susundo na tayo kay Stan. I'm using that one. That's Stan's old GoPro Hero 9, I think. Yeah, ito yung ginagamit ko ngayon sa pag-film. So, hindi ako gumagamit ng phone. And hindi ko rin dinala yung DJI Pocket 3 ni Stan. Wala lang, kasi gusto kong itry gamitin to. Ang tagal niya na kasing hindi ginagamit yung GoPro na to eh. As in, 2023 pa ata yung last na use niya nito. So, yun. Gusto ko siyang gamitin ngayon to try kasi yung aming trip sa Japan, gusto kong gumamit ng sarili kong camera. Ayokong humiram kay Stan para hindi rin siya maistorbo sa mga film niya. So, tapos ako ayokong gamitin yung phone ko kasi pag nagta-travel kami, mahirap yung ginagawang camera yung phone kasi I use my phone for to unlock and lock my credit cards, to navigate. So, ang hirap na ginagawa mo rin yung pang video. Kaya sabi ko sa husband ko and kay Stan, I'll be using his old GoPro 9. So, yan. Kaya tinetest ko siya ngayon. Para makita ko yung kanyang quality and yung kanyang magiging performance. Although maganda naman yung quality nito kasi I think 2 or 3 years ginamit to ni Stan. Parang 2021. 2 years. 2021 to 2023. Ito yung ginagamit ni Stan sa kanyang mga Boracay vlogs, yung mga vlog namin sa Hong Kong, sa Macau. So, ito lang yung problema ko dyan kasi nag-order pa lang ako online ng GoPro camera stand dito sa car. So right now, nakalagay siya sa tripod, tapos nakasandal lang siya sa handbag ko. So, yun. So, I ordered this morning lang online nung GoPro camera stand para dito sa car. Ay, ang traffic na naman dito. Bago makarating sa main road ng kanilang campus, pero nandito na ako sa loob ng campus ha. May University Road pa kasi. Doon talaga nagda-traffic kasi all vehicles from here, dito sa may mga stickers na pumapasok ng gate 1 and then yung pumapasok ng gate 2, both na walang stickers and merong stickers. I mean, sa stickers, gate sticker, gate pass. Ito yung nakakasayang sa time and nakakasayang sa fuel. Anyway, ayun. Si Stan ay, ano na, I think near na siya sa aming, yeah, he's already there. Sa aming meet-up point. Anyway, ayan. Itong GoPro ay minount ko muna dun sa cellphone stand ko dito sa car. So, parang mukhang stabilized naman siya. Nakakaya naman siya nung holder. Kaya yan. So hopefully ay maging stable lang siya hanggang later. Para matest ko talaga tong GoPro 9 kung okay pa rin siya. Airstand na. Hi, say hi to my vlog here.
Hi. How are you?
Good. Dito kaya tayo. Here lang. Okay, so na-pick up na natin si Stan. Medyo na-traffic lang ako dito, no?
I saw the Find My iPhone.
Update na lang si Daddy. Ay, tapos paki-check mo na din kasi nag-order ako sa Grab. Tapos i-ano mo si Daddy.
Out for delivery.
Out for delivery na. Ayun. Paki-check from time to time tapos i-update mo si Dad kung malapit na sa atin. Nasa gate. Kung pag nasa garden walk na, sabihan mo na si Dad na nasa ano na. Wala kasi kaming dinner, guys, kaya pag-grab na lang kami. Okay, so we're already parked. Nandito na kami sa house. Ay, nandito na kami sa house. So, we're already parked. Ayan, akyat na kami sa house. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.
Bye. I fulfilled my promise. I ordered school.
Yan ang dala niya, guys, na bag. Pa-trolley siya. That's from High Shera. Dati yan si Daddy niya. Daddy niya gumagamit yan before. Ngayon nag-luggage na si Daddy. Dami kasi yung dala eh. Kaya mahirap yung backpack. Kaya yun yung ano niya. Elevator shop. Okay, we're ready home. Good morning, guys. So it's Friday today. It's January 24, 2025. So it's 8:40 in the morning and we're on our way to Dior's vet. So schedule niya for tick and flea prevention and deworming. So every 3 months yun. So yun, ngayon kami pupunta. Hi, Dior. Si Stan ay nasa school na. Kailangan namin lang talagang gawin ito ngayon kasi dapat ng 21 pa siya nakaschedule yung pagbalik niya for the 3rd month. Yun, pero dahil work day and school day yung 21 na hindi pwede si Daddy sumama kay Dior, kaya ngayon namin i-reschedule. Okay, so ang vet ni Dior is in Concepcion Dos. Tama ba? Concepcion Dos, Marikina. So, nandito kami ngayon sa, ano bang street ito? Ha? Hill Fernando Street. So, we're here na. Pero 9 AM pa kasi yung open ng vet. It's just 8:51. Actually, advance pa nga yung 8:51. 8:41 pa lang ata. Where's Doc? Oh, go na. You can call your Doc. Wala pa ata kasi si Doc. After here, we're going back home. Tapos mag-work na si Dad. Tapos ako may mga tasks din ako na kailangan gawin. Maglo-laundry pa pala ako ngayon. Friday pala. So yun. Tapos ang out ni Stan today ay 4:30. So yun. Samahan niyo din ako later magsundo kay Stan. Yun lang. Si Dear. Hi. There's Dear and there's Daddy. There. Tick and flea prevention, ano lang naman yun, yung parang treat lang na i-intake ng dog. Tapos, deworming. Yun lang yung gagawin kay Dior every 3 months. Tapos, yung mga vaccine niya, kasi mga yearly na lang yun, mga booster na lang. So, every year na lang yung kanyang vaccine. This coming March, yung 8-in-1 vaccine na ni Dior. Na si Dior, guys. Hi! Diyos ko, nasa loob na siya ng bag niya. Ayan. Hi, Dior. I'm going back home. Hi guys, so 3:34 PM ngayon. Susundo tayo kay Stan. Diyan ko muna kayo nilagay, pero okay. Medyo late ang dismissal ni Stan ngayon. It's because meron silang practice ng kanilang presentation. So, his team was chosen to represent the advanced class for Filipino subject. Ayun. So, it's a stage production. It's a theater play na siya yung director. So, yun. Parang twice or thrice a week silang nagpa-practice every after class. So, 2 hours silang nagpa-practice. So, ngayon, yung kanilang class ay hanggang 2:30 lang. So, 2 hours na practice. Kaya 4:30 ang kanyang dismissal ngayon. Yun. Pag 3:30 naman yung kanilang dismissal, hanggang 5:30 siya sa school kasi yun for the practice. I'm already parked here sa parking ng junior high school. So hinihintay ko na lang si Stan. I think 4:28. So 2 minutes. Magme-message na yun sa akin na on the way na siya here. And I guess yung mga hindi pa umuuwi ng mga students ng ganitong time ay nasa practice din ng nitong school activity na to, yung presentation na ito. So, yun. It's an event na grade 7 to grade 10 ay magko-compete. So, ayun. Every section. So, there are 14 sections per grade level plus the advanced classes. So, si Stan kasi ay naka-advanced. Ang junior high school kasi ng Ateneo ay nag-o-offer ng advanced classes for 4 subjects. So, yung 4 subjects na yun ay Math, English, Filipino, Science. So, yun. Naka-advanced classes si Stan dun sa 4 na subjects na yun. Ino-offer yun starting grade 8 hanggang grade 10. Sa grade 7, wala pa. Kasi doon pa lang magbe-base ng grades, ng recommendation, ng attitude and behavior. So, lahat yun tinitake into consideration. Tsaka yung mga mag-e-exam. May exam pa kasi siya. So, pag napasa mo yung exam, if you pass the exam, tapos ni-recommend ka ng mga subject teachers mo ng grade 7, tapos, pati yung conduct mo and behavior ay recommended din ng mga subject teachers ng 4 na subjects na yun. And then, you will get the chance to take the exam. Ino-offer siya ng last month ng school year ng grade 7. Tapos yun, mag-exam ka na. And then, yun, if you pass everything, then grade 8 ka na magsa-start ng naka-advanced class ka sa mga subjects na yun. But, yung iba kasing students, 1 or 2 or 3 lang yung kanilang advanced class. Ibig sabihin, yun yung na-pass nila. So, si Stan was able to pass the 4 subjects. Kaya, sobrang hectic ng schedule niya kasi mas maraming ginagawa and mas mataas yung expectations for the advanced classes. Kaya, triple effort niya talaga sa ACADS niya. Ayun. Tapos marami pa siyang extracurricular. Yun, yung kanyang mga leadership activities, leadership tasks niya na extracurricular yun. Marami rin siyang inaasikaso. Kaya sobrang busy niya. Buti nga talaga magkakaroon pa siya ng time bumalik sa kanyang dance class. So, yun. Kala ko si Stan. Okay, so we're already here. Nakapag-park na kami and akyat na kami sa house. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, everyone. Bye! Okay, so while waiting for Stan, we decided to have something muna dito sa Coffee Bean and Tea Leaves. I'm having carbonara, and then this is Spanish latte na drink, and si Daddy is having
Cold brew.
Cold brew. So, dapat kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch, pero hindi kami pwedeng kumain pa nang wala si Stan. So, hintayin namin matapos ng kanyang dance class bago kami kumain ng proper lunch. Parang na rin yun, early dinner na rin yun kasi hanggang 5:30 yung kanyang dance class. Okay, so kain muna tayo, guys. What else? May shopping pala tayo. Box na lang po.
Yes po. Stand ready.
What?
Read it again.
Kamizachi original. Kamizachi original. What's the name of our...
Thank you. Here na kami, Beb.
Bye.
Umalis si Daddy kasi nagpa-help na kami dun sa staff ng the marketplace para i-head sa parking yung aming pinapin. So maghahanap na kami ngayon ng pagla-lunch na.
There's nothing here now.
Wala. Tawid na tayo. Hanap na. Ang dali mo bumukas.
Okay.
Pag nasa indoors na.
Let's cross the company.
Kasi sasabihin natin kay Daddy kasi siya
Let's check inside.
inside.
Yeah. Up on the second floor because there are a lot of restaurants on the second floor.
Okay, so we're here at Dennis. Yan, for lunch. Si Daddy. There's Stan. Gusto niya raw itry itong Sip Slurp Repeat. Limited time milkshake flavors lang pala to. Sige, go. I-try mo, anak. So, I ordered chicken Caesar salad. And then, we're waiting for other order pa. So, dumating na yung order ni Stan. That is K-Town Bulgogi bowl. And then Dad ordered
The
early riser. So may ano siya, may danggit, tocino, beef tapa. Tapos may eggs. Tapos may kasama na siyang 2 sets ng rice. Yun. Drinks na lang yung kulang natin. No?
Yung pending pang order, sir? Drinks? May kulang pa pa.
Ayan. Thank you. So, dumating na yung order ni Stan. This is their, what do you call this drink? Mickey Magic. Mickey Magic daw ito. So, parang may mga Oreos and chocolate siguro to. Yeah, favorite niya kasi yung mga Oreo. And then I ordered 4 banana milkshake. Ay, sorry. Strawberry banana milkshake. I thought there's banana. Okay. And then Dad ordered 4 yung wow! Meron pala siyang, popcorn on top. That's the salted caramel. This one. Salted caramel crusher. At tapos may free coffee pala yung in-order ni Daddy na set. Bon appetit, eh. Again, anak. Korean na anak namin. Charing. Bon appetit! Hey everyone! Today is Thursday, February 27, and we are on our way to the Manila Hotel. So my husband is driving. Naka-shirt pa lang siya. Nandun yung kanyang polo. And yun, kasi today is awarding ni Stan, yung aming anak, Gizmo's Global STEM Competition, which happened last 2024, I think. Yun. And today yung awarding sa Manila Hotel. Kaya pupunta kami doon. Actually, hindi talaga invited yung parents. We will be there for a business meeting. Since nandun na rin lang kami, we might meet up with Stan. Kasi 11:30 yung aming appointment, and nandun na sila Stan ngayon kasi yung school yung maghahatid sa kanila and babalik sa kanila sa school din. Kaya yun. So kung makita pa namin siya doon pagdating namin, edi good. If not, ayun, susunduin na lang namin siya pag-uwi. We are already here inside Manila Hotel, and nandito kami sa the lobby lounge. So we are trying to baka mag-order kami ng breakfast. Hindi pala baka, mag-order talaga kami ng breakfast. So yan si Daddy, ipa-place na lang kami ng order. So for breakfast, a la carte nila, ito yung menu. Huh?
So just gonna ask for drinks.
Okay, so my chicken arroz caldo is already here. Ito kasi yung in-order ko. And I'm waiting for my drink. Ano yun eh, parang smoothie yung drink ko. Tapos si Daddy ay nag-order ng pandesal and coffee pero wala pa. Hi, Dad. So, Daddy got his order. Ayan na yung pandesal na order niya. Okay, so you guys, ilang pieces to? Parang 5 pieces, and this is 550. Just kidding. Yeah, parang 100 pesos ang isa. Parang 110. Diba? Kasi 5 pieces for 550.
Bouquet flavor.
I know. I'm just saying. Ayan, tapos meron siyang mga marmalade and butter ata yan. Derpak ba yun?
No, Hero, Emborg, and Hero.
So, hindi pa rin masyadong mahal. As a President Endler pa kayo yung tapos yung all black coffee ni Daddy. So, ay dumating na rin pala yung aking drink. This is yung parang tropical nila. Pero parang pineapple lang naman yung nakikita ko anyway. Ayan, so, let's eat. We're waiting for Stan. It's already 11. What time is it again? 11:20. It's 11:20 and we want to eat more. Charing. Mag-order pa kami ng ibang food kasi parang pang breakfast lang ata yung order namin kanina. So now, regular menu na yung meron sila. So let's see. So ito na yung regular menu nila. So yan. And this one. Pizza. Ayaw daw ni Daddy ng pizza. Busog na siya. So So, ito parang gusto kong itry itong puto bongbong. And tingnan ko yung iba. So, yan lang muna. Okay, so dumating na yung aming second batch ng order. This is the puto bongbong na gusto ko talagang itry. Favorite ko kasi yan. So, kahit saang meron yan, like Via Mare, basta meron ito, tinatry ko talaga. And then this one is yung kanilang vegetable spring roll. Yan. Tapos si Daddy nag-juice. Ano bang juice yan? Four Seasons siya na juice. Pero ako yun pa din yung aking juice. Hindi ko pa nauubos. Ayan. So there, bon appetit! It's now 1:15 p.m. and nakaalis na kami ng Manila Hotel. We're on our way to Ateneo para mapipick up namin si Stan from school going home. Kahit kasi nandun kami, ang rule kasi is sila yung school yung naghatid sa hotel, from school to the hotel. So sila rin yung magdadala from the hotel to back to school. And I think na-mention ni Stan kanina na makaka-attend pa yata sila ng last subject nila hanggang 2:30. May hanggang 2:30 kasi siyang last subject today. So, yun, makakarating sila doon and they will be able to attend their last subject for the day pa. So, yun. So, kami, didiretso na kami sa school para 2:35, yun, susundo na namin siya. And yun, we're so happy, we're so proud of him. Kasi nga, like what my husband has been telling me na it's a global award. It's, ano yung description mo, Inabib?
It's a global competition and they want to follow the countries that participate. Just for the school, but the country.
So, ngayon ko lang na-realize na twice pala silang nanalo. Ang alam ko lang kasi, ang nare-remember ko lang, yung first win nila dito sa Philippines. So, yung global na competition na nangyari, hindi ko alam na ito pala yung awarding na yun. Kaya pala dalawa yung trophies nila. Yun. So, gold din sila. Gold din yung kanilang award. First place din sila for the global competition. Yun. So, mas lalo kaming naging proud sa kanya. Kaya yun.